Hey guitar enthusiast, Lauren Bateman here. I'm going to teach you an absolutely beautiful song. It's a song called Falling Slowly from the movie Once. I'm going to show you how to finger pick and strum this song, so let's get into it. Now this song is a little bit more intermediate because of some of the finger picking applications, and the strumming pattern I'm going to show you here is a little bit more intricate. So if you're an absolute beginner, might not be the best song for you, but if you're in the late beginner to intermediate stage, let's give it a go. So the first thing we're going to talk about, there's going to be two sections. We're going to talk about the finger picking section, and then we're going to talk about the strumming section of the song. So let's start with the finger picking. If you need the tab for this, I do have it on my website, laurenbateman.com. I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can go over to the website, open that up, and follow along with me here. Now the intro follows along to basically two different chords, a C major chord and a variation of, this F suspended second chord, okay? And I'm going to show you how to play through it. Let's do the C chord first because that's going to be the easiest. Now, and I will do close-ups on this afterwards, so if you guys want to see what my hands are doing, I will go in for a more extreme close-up, but first let's start with the panned out version first. So the C chord does the same thing. It doesn't change, and we're just playing a C major chord, and we're doing what I call a pluck, all right? And we're going to be playing the thumb on the 5th string and the second finger on the 2nd string at the same time. Now, the thumb, in case you've never done finger picking before, the thumb kind of controls the top 3 strings, and then we're going to be using the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. 1st finger owns string 3, 2nd finger owns string 2, 3rd finger owns string 3. So just so you guys know, that's where my fingers are placed here on the right hand. All right, and if you're the left hand, it's the same thing. Now, we're going to be plucking fingers, the thumb and the 1st finger at the same time. Okay, so it's going to be pluck and then 1st finger. So, okay, and these are all 8th notes. It's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, after we do that pluck and then the 1st finger, we need to put our pinky down. We're going to make like a C add 9 chord. We're going to put our pinky down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, because we need this note. So it's going to be, so it's pluck, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger. Okay, now we're going to grab this high E string with our 3rd finger, okay? And then the 1st finger again. So it kind of keeps always going back to the 1st finger. So it's pluck, 1, 2nd finger, 1, 3rd finger, 1, 2nd finger, and then 1st finger. So it's, okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so that's our C chord, and that's what we're going to do. So that will be your 1st chord, and it'll be your 3rd chord in the progression. So the intro goes C to the F suspended, C to the F suspended. So the first time through, this is how we're going to play the F. And I'm going to use my thumb to play the 1st note here. I love using my thumb to play bass notes. For some people it's very uncomfortable, but for me, where I have small fingers, I like to use my thumb a lot, or small hands. So we're going to be doing the 1st finger at the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then I have my thumb playing the bass note 1st fret up here. And the same thing, we're going to do pluck, except this time we're plucking the bass note of the F, which is that top string. So it's going to be the thumb and the 2nd finger again, and then 1st finger, same thing, pinky comes down, 2nd finger, 1st finger. Now we're going to do the 3rd finger again, except this finger is going to lay flat because I got to get the 1st fret here on this 1st fret, 1st string. This is why this is a little more intermediate, okay? So far we've got pluck, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, lift up, back to the open string on the bottom E, 1st finger, okay? So all together it is, okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so the first part will be C chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and then right into the F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Now back to the C, played the same exact way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the second time through we change what we're doing on this F chord. We're just going pluck and then first finger, second finger, first finger, second finger, first finger, second finger. Okay, so that last one is pluck. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. All right, so all together before I go in for the close-up, we have our C chord, F, C, yeah, last F. So that's the whole thing together. That's what we're doing for the intro. And you're also going to play this over the verse. So you've basically accomplished the intro in the verses for this song. So let me go in for a close-up here so you guys can see what's going on here with my fretting hand. I'm going to show you here. We have our C chord. Now this is how I was adding the pinky. I was putting it on the second string, 3rd fret, okay? So what I was doing is we have C. Here comes the pinky. Here's the F. You can see I've got my thumbs looping over to grab this bass note, okay? So I have the first finger and the bass note here. Now watch what my first finger does. Here's the pinky. Look at, see how I bar this? I flatten this. Okay, so we've got and then back to the C chord. Then the F. So let me do that one more time through for you guys. All right, so we have the C chord, pinky comes down, open E string to the F suspended chord, pinky comes down, first finger comes down, first finger comes up, okay? And then back to the C chord. And then just the regular back and forth. So I'm gonna play it top to bottom for you guys so that you can hear what it sounds like. All right, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's it. And then you just would repeat that again. And that would be, I don't know you, but I want to. Da, 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 da. Okay, so that's all we're doing over that intro and those verses. And that comes in again when we go back to the next verse and stuff. But now what we're going to talk about is some different dynamics that we're going to throw in terms of strumming for this song. So the next section is the pre-chorus, where we're going to start doing some strumming. And the difficulty about going from finger picking to strumming is you don't have a pick usually. So, but that's okay. We still have our thumb and our forefinger that we're going to use. So we're going to try to add dynamics to this as much as possible. So the strumming pattern I'm going to use is a 16th note strumming pattern for this section. I'm going to use a different one for the chorus. I'm going to be doing 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. So it's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now when you're strumming without a pick, use your thumb on the downs and your index finger on the ups. So it would be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and up. Okay? And again, if we were doing split measures here, which we're going to be doing on the A minor and G, so the chord progression is a full measure of F suspended second, A minor, G, and then a split measure of F suspended with the G, then A minor, G, and then 2 full measures of F suspended, and then we'll go into the chorus and talk about that section last. So we've got here 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 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 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. So you can hear it's not as clear as a pick. A pick I can get a really nice clear. that's why I prefer to strum with a pick, because I think you can get a lot more expressive with a pick. But we're limited because we were finger picking here. So the chorus now is the next section of the song, and we're going to do some really interesting strumming here. So let's see what we get into. Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying this lesson so far. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. This way you know when I release more videos just like this one. Now, the chorus, we've got a C chord, we have the F suspended second, A minor second, F suspended second, then we got C, F suspended second, A minor 7, and then the F suspended chord. We're going to be playing that twice. These are all full measures, and the strumming pattern we're going to use this is a little bit intricate, and I picked up a pick because I want to use the pick, but we're just going to use our thumb. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and a. Okay, that's the first half of the strumming pattern. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and a. Down, 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 up. Okay, again. 1 and 2 and up. Down, 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 up. Now the second half of the pattern is going to be 3E and, down, up, down, and then 4E and up. So it's a 16th note strumming pattern. So again, the second half is down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 3E and, 4E and up. So if I did the whole thing, it would be 1 and 2 and a, 3E and, 4E and up. So it's down, 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 up. Oh, sorry. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that would sound like this if I played at full speed. Now, if I do it with a pick, you can hear the strumming a little bit more clearly. 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4E and a 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4E and a down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, so we've got 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4E and a 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4E and a. So if we play this over the chorus, it'll be A minor 7. Okay, hear that? Now, this song, if I were going to play it, I would probably improvise a bit. I'm trying to stick to that strumming pattern as much as possible. But a great thing as a guitar player, eventually your rhythm's going to get a mind of its own, and you just want to play in what you're feeling, you know. Take this sinking boat and pawn it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You make it now. And then when we get to the verse, we would go right back to the picking part, okay? So there you go. That is basically the entirety of the entire song. It's really just going between this finger picking and these strumming patterns. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about finger picking, I do have a finger picking course. I'll put a link in the description below. This way you guys can go and check that out. YouTube is going to pop up a couple more videos over here. Make sure to go check those out. And I hope to see you guys again in another lesson video.